Hello everyone. In the last session, we have learned about the structure of a sentence, and now in this session, I have a short exercise for you so that we can make sure that we understood it also. So let's start. The question number 1 is complete the sentences with suitable subject or predicate as needed. In the first sentence, the king blank. Here, the subject has been mentioned, the king, and you have to complete the sentence by filling the predicate. You can fill this as you want. But let's fill it now. The king killed his enemy. Come to the second sentence. Blank has gone to the market. Now the subject is missing, and the subject can be any name or she or he because the verb is has. So here we are going to write he. He has gone to the market. Likewise, in the third sentence, we should help the poor. In the next sentence, I and my brother do not make a noise. Fifth sentence, the fact is interesting. Sixth sentence, dash is the most populous country in the world. Here we go according to the general knowledge. So, China is the most populous country in the world. The environment is clear today. And the last is, your voice is not clear to me. Question number 2. Say whether the underlined part is an object, a complement or an adjunct. First sentence. India is an ancient country. India is what? An ancient country. So, an ancient country is a complement. Second, the police chased the thieves. Whom the police chased? The thieves. So, the thieves are an object. Third, my father has been appointed the president. So, object. Fourth, she called me a liar. Again, object. Fifth, where are you taking this donkey? Who has been taken? Donkey. So, the donkey is an object. Put the honey in bottles. In bottles, adjunct. The next question is underline the direct object and circle the indirect objects in the following sentences. The first sentence, she explained the real problem to me. The subject is she, verb is explained. Now, who is the recipient? Means what has been explained? The real problem. So, the direct object is the real problem. And to whom it has been explained? To me. So, me is the indirect object. And we will underline the real problem and circle me. The second sentence, Arjun gave his wife a gold bracelet as her birthday gift. Now, Arjun gave what? A gold bracelet. So, a gold bracelet, underline it. It is the direct object. And to whom he has given? His wife. So, his wife is the indirect object. So, we will circle this. Third sentence, Priyanka has bought her husband a new car. So, what has been bought? A car. So, a new car is direct object and to whom? Her husband. So, her husband is indirect. So, underline new car and circle her husband. The next sentence, Yuan has lent me his bike. Yuan lent what? Bike. So his bike is direct object and me is indirect object. Fifth sentence. The architect has given our old house a new look. So architect has given what? House or look? It's look. So a new look is the direct object, whereas an old house is the indirect object. So underline new look and circle old house. Sixth, Irwin teaches Vedic mathematics to his students. So what does Irwin teach? He teaches Vedic mathematics. So Vedic mathematics is the direct object, students are the indirect object. So underline Vedic mathematics and circle students. Gauhar has shown Geeta her collection of stamps. Gauhar showed stamps. So collection of stamps is direct object. So underline it, and shown to Geeta. So Geeta is indirect object. Circle Geeta. I'll have left behind 2 books for you. So what I left? Books. So books is the direct object. Underline it. And for whom? For you. So you is the indirect object. So circle it. Next, the rescuers gave the survivors food and blankets. So what has been given? Food and blankets. So these are the direct objects. So underline food and blankets. To whom? To the survivors. So the survivors are the indirect object. Circle it. My grandmother reads nice mythological stories to me every night. What does she read? She reads mythological stories. So this is direct object. Underline it. And to whom? To me. Me is the indirect object. Circle it. With this, we are going to wrap up our first chapter of grammar, the sentences. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.